Welcome to Rarotonga. For your safety, you must remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. Also be careful when opening overhead lockers as items could fall out. It is now safe for transmitting functions on your electronic devices to be turned on, and please do ensure you take all of your personal belongings with you. We will be using the boarding ramp to disembark from the front of the aircraft and the stairs from the rear. If you are not comfortable using the stairs, feel free to come forward and use the boarding ramp. Please take care, use the handrail provided, and follow the clearly marked path to the terminal. Electronic devices must not be used until you are inside the terminal. If you are connecting to a domestic flight, you need to collect your bags here and go to the domestic check-in counters. Well, we do hope you have enjoyed your flight with us today. From all the team, thank you for flying in New Zealand on the Star Alliance Network. Do take care, and we look forward to seeing you again. Ka kite anō.
You got everything? Phone is in your bag? Oh.
We'll dim the cabin lights, everybody, for our departure out of Rarotonga this afternoon. If you do find the lighting insufficient, there's a reading light in the panel above your head. Also aware that the temperature in the cabin is quite warm at the moment. Don't worry, once we're up in the air, it will regulate to a nice even temperature. Thank you, flight attendants must now be seated for takeoff.